Hello children, now we will start the new lesson of science, the beautiful world of plants. Now look at the book. In our surrounding there are different plants. Now see, some are trees, some are water plants like this. This is banyan tree, coconut tree, mango tree. Then this is lotus pond. Then grass, cactus, we can find it in desert. They have spines on their leaves. Gulmohar tree, this is hibiscus plant, neem tree. These are different kinds of plant. There are many plants around us. आपल्या आजूबाजूला वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे प्लांट्स असतात. काही मोठे असतात, काही छोटे असतात, काही वॉटरमध्ये असतात, काही लँडवर असतात, काही माउंटन्सवर असतात. असे वेगवेगळे प्लांट्स असतात. काही फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स असतात, काही नॉन फ्लावरिंग असतात, काही फ्रूट्स देतात. असे वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे प्लांट्स आपल्या सराउंडिंगमध्ये असतात. देर आर मेनी प्लांट्स अराउंड अस. वी सी प्लांट्स ग्रोईंग इन गार्डन्स, फार्म्स, फॉरेस्ट अँड ऑन हिल्स अँड माउंटन्स. Plants need air, water, soil and sunlight to live. Plants need air, water, soil and sunlight to live and grow. We also see trees planted along the roadside. Some plants like cactus grow only in deserts. Parts of plant. Now see, here is a picture of plant. There are different parts of a plant. These are roots. Roots are under the soil. Roots are under the soil. They get water, mineral, that is their food, from this soil and it transport to the stem. This is called as stem. These are the leaves. This is fruit. Then this is flower. That means roots, stem, fruit, leaves, flower. These are different parts of the plant. Parts of a plant. Roots, stem, leaves, flowers and fruits are the different parts of a plant. Roots grow in the soil and help to fix the plant firmly. It supports the plant. They take in water and mineral salt from the soil necessary for the growth of the plant. Roots take minerals and water from the soil and it transfers to the other parts of a plant. The stem grows above the soil. The stem, this is stem. Stem grows above the soil. Leaves, flowers and fruits grow on stems. See, leaves, flowers and fruits grows on the stem. The stem holds the plant upright. The stem holds the plant upright and is main support of the plant. The stem develops into trunk. The stem develops into trunk when the plant becomes a tree. When the plant becomes a tree, the stem turns into trunk. It transports water and minerals to different parts of the plant. Some plants have weak stems while others have strong stems. Now here is a picture of a plant. You have to color it. Now leaves. Leaves are very important parts of the plant. Leaves are very important parts of the plant. They produce food for the plant. Most plants have green leaves. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. Some leaves are smooth, some are rough, some leaves are shiny and some are dull. म्हणजे काय, leaves हा अगदी इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट आहे. कारण का, तर लीव्समध्ये प्लांट्स फूड स्टोअर करत असतात आणि ते वेगवेगळ्या कलरचे असतात. मोस्टली ग्रीन कलरचे असतात, पण क्रोटॉन्समध्ये जर आपण बघितले तर लीव्स वेगवेगळ्या कलरचे पण असतात. त्यांचा शेप, साईज हे पण वेगवेगळे असतात. बट इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट. तुलसी हॅज स्मॉल लीव्स. Sugarcane has long leaves. Banana plant has large leaves. Lotus has round leaves. Now, plant protectors. Some plants have thorns or spines or prickles. म्हणजे काही प्लांट्सच्या अंगावर असे काटे असतात. They protect the plant from being eaten by animals. Most animals do not go near plants that have such a thorns or spines for fear of getting hurt. म्हणजे अशा झाडांच्या काही अंगावर काटे असतात, त्यामुळे ॲनिमल्स त्याच्याजवळ जाऊन ते प्लांट्स खात नाहीत कारण त्यांना हर्ट व्हायची भीती वाटते. नाव फ्लावर्स अँड फ्रूट्स. Flowers are the most beautiful, colorful and fragrant part of the plant. Many flowers grow into fruits. Fruits are of different shapes and sizes and contain seeds. Look here. Flowers are the most beautiful, colorful and fragrant part of the plant. Many flowers grow into fruits. Fruits are of different shapes and sizes and contain seeds. Now plants grow from seeds. प्लांट्स कसे तयार होतात? सीड्स जेव्हा आपण सॉईलमध्ये टाकतो, त्याला पाणी वगैरे घालतो, वॉटर एअर असेल, सॉईल चांगली असेल, त्यावेळेस त्यातून आपल्याला न्यू बेबी प्लांट बघायला मिळतो. सम फ्रूट्स कंटेन ओनली वन सीड each, while other contains more than one seed. Mango contains only one seed. Cherries and their seeds. Here is plum and its seed. These fruits contain only one seed. Peach and its seed. Orange and its seed. Orange contains more seeds. Watermelon and its seeds. Tomato and its seed. Cucumber and its seeds. Now let us revise what we have learned in this topic. Plants are living things. Plants are living things. We see many plants around us. We see many plants around us. Plants grow on land. Some plants also grow in water. Roots take in water from the soil while the stem transport it to different parts of the plant. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes but are mostly green in color. Plants need air, water, soil and sunlight for their growth.